If you have MMI high version of the system, you can go to videos, and as long as you have some videos on the USB drive or a video DVD inserted, you can play some videos on the display. But as soon as your vehicle starts to move about 5 kilometers an hour, you will have this overlay that blocks the display. This is called video in motion lock, and we want to remove it, and there are actually 4 ways for doing that, and I will guide you through all of them. Basically 3 are simple, 1 is a little bit tricky, but just to keep it professional. This vehicle is on the MQB platform. It features the MMI MIB2 system. In older systems like the MMI 3G Plus, 3G, 2G, you could get the VIM-lock to be removed with just coding or adaptation. And over here in MIB2, in MIB generations, this speed threshold, those 5 kilometers an hour, are not stored in coding, are not stored in adaptation. Those are in dataset, and we need to modify the dataset in this vehicle. One of the simplest ways is using OBDeleven. So when you connect with the vehicle, let me just show you what's on the display over here. When you connect with the vehicle, you can go to apps, and in apps, let's use the search bar. Let's type in video in motion for MIB units. It comes at a price 100 credits, and 100 credits is 15 euro right now, or 17 bucks, a little bit less, maybe it's at 20% discount right now. So that's the simple solution, but that's not the only solution. Option 2 is using generic OBD2 ELM scanner and CarScanner application. And over here, when you connect with the vehicle, let me just start the recording again. Over here, when you connect to the vehicle, you can go to coding and service, agree with the risks, scroll down to multimedia, and use the search bar, type in video in motion speed threshold for MIB2 system. It checks how it's set right now. It's set to 3 kilometers an hour, and you can change this value and apply it to the vehicle. And this application is free, but I believe it might require the Pro license, which is 40 zloty right now. It's a forever license, so one-time purchase, about 10 bucks, maybe even a little bit less, about 10 bucks or 10 euros. But still, that's not the only way to do this. Okay, there's a third option. If you have direct access to the file system, you can adjust some options when running the human-machine interface. And let me just show you what I mean. Let's go up. Where was it actually? It was in ISO, HMI, and lsd, and there's a script called lsd.sh. You can also, if you have your system prepared for this, you can also browse it via FTP client like here, and we have access to the same file that I showed you. And when you open that file, of course, I strongly suggest making a backup before doing anything in the file system. When you open this file, you will see that it contains a lot of commands that are responsible for running the human-machine interface on the display. And there are some options which are set with a comment hashtag at the beginning, which means that it's not used by the script. Actually, it's just there saved for later, or maybe this is the way that someone turned something off. But the important thing is that you can add this line without the hashtag at the beginning, and when you save this file and when you reboot your system, you will have the speed threshold removed. But still, this solution is free. You don't have to pay for anything over here. No tools required other than your PC, which I assume that you have. But still, it's a little bit pain in the ass to browse through the file system like this. So let's do it yet another way. Okay, so now the fourth and the simplest way, still free. So in this vehicle I have installed More Incredible Bash. It's an extension to the hidden menu over here, which allows you to do some advanced things prepared by the community. So installation, preparation of the card, and so on. I've done this in separate videos, so I'm going to link it here in the description. And well, if you Google it or just search for on YouTube for it, you'll definitely find my video. And right now, with the card still in the drive, in the SD1 port over here, we are going to enter the hidden menu. To do this in this vehicle, because this is Audi A3 and the panel looks like this, we want to push both those switches forward. In Volkswagen, Seat and Skoda, you will have to press and hold the menu button. In other Audi vehicles, you will have a similar combination of buttons, and if you have some different key panel with your MIB2 system, let me know in the comments below and I will try to help you find the correct combination. You don't need diagnostic tools to enable the green menu, because the procedure of the More Incredible Bash installation already unlocks it. It unlocks the green menu. So as soon as you install the More Incredible Bash, you will be able to enter the green menu. So let's do it. Both switches forward. Start with the left one, add the right one. Keep it like this for a couple of seconds and you will have the green menu. And over here you will have the MIB section. Let's select it. Scroll down to VIM. It's short for Video in Motion. Select it. And you have this preset. Set VIM to 199. You can also go to advanced coding and you can see that currently it's set to 3 kilometers an hour, and you have different things that are also set in this part of parameterization of the unit, but we want to just change the video in motion. So let's select this. Let's scroll down. Let's see what's going on over here. Okay, VIM is now patched on byte 0 with 199. Reboot unit. Unit is rebooting now. And all we have to do right now is wait. Okay. It's rebooted. So right now let's see what happens. And the video stays on the display. It works as it should. I don't have to tell you that it's really irresponsible to have your eyes on anything other than the road, right? So I know this is just for the passenger and so on. I often drive my kids to school and kindergarten, and they really like the music videos, so I try to keep the video database over here up to date. I listen to the music that I like and they watch the videos that they enjoy. So that's my use case. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. In the description below this video you will find a little bit more information about all those 4 methods. Sorry OBDeleven. You were the most expensive solution for this problem, for this task. But well, if you already have OBDeleven device and the unlimited plan, it would be the simplest way just to use the OBDeleven one-click application. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Diagnostyczna sesja, tak? Przyszłaś pokodować? No, Luncia. Czego tam szukasz?